Hello, good morning to everyone. Dear students, today we are going to start our last exercise of 7th chapter, exercise 7.3, and this exercise is based on only one formula, same as it is like a exercise 1 and 2. Third formula is how to find area of triangle. Everyone know dear, in the earlier classes we learned how to find area of a triangle. 1/2 base into height. Height means always we will take perpendicular height. Perpendicular or height or not. So it is area of triangle 1/2 base into height. But here whenever we discussed about the area of triangle in coordinate geometry, or in 2D, okay, it is x coordinate, it is x axis, it is y axis. Suppose there is any triangle like this one, it is, and if we make any triangle in 2D or in coordinate geometry, every point has two coordinate or not, so it is a triangle ABC. Suppose here point A has coordinate x1 y1, coordinate of B is x2 y2, and it is x3 y3. Because we know these all 3 points are different or not to each other, that's why their coordinate also different. Don't write xy. If you write xy, it means all are same, but they are different points. So that's we give their different notation. x1 y1. First point x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. You can write here x1 x2, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, or you can start from here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. It is depend on you. Okay. Now look at here. This is the area of triangle. Okay. Its proof is not in our syllabus. So direct you can remember, and it is very easy to remember. Look at one time how to remember it. Look at here. Always look at here how to remember. Always first we will write multiply by 1/2 and bracket start. Okay. Always first we will write x coordinate. So first is x1, and inside the bracket we will write y coordinate. Okay. First we will write x coordinate. So x coordinate is started from x1. So after x1 what is come? 2. So y2 minus y3 inside bracket y. Okay. Now plus after x1 what is come? x2, and inside bracket coordinate of y. After 2 what is come? 3. y3 minus y1 again plus x1 x2, now x3 dear, and bracket 2. After x3 what is come again? 1. So y1 minus y2. Very simple or not? Okay. Multiply by 1/2 bracket starting. First is x1, and in the inside bracket we will write y code. After x1 what? After 1 what come? 2. y2 minus y3. Now after x1 x2, y3 minus y1. After x3, after x2 x3, x3. Now after 3 1 and 2. It's very simple here. 1 2 3, 2 3 1, 3 1 2. But remember inside bracket whose coordinate? Y coordinate. Okay, y coordinate, and multiply by it 1/2. So note down this formula dear. It is very important. All question is based on this question. Okay, on this formula. Okay dear, please note down it. So you can remember this formula like this one also. Dear, multiply by 1/2. Multiplication of x1 2 difference of y coordinate plus x2 multiply with difference of y coordinate plus x1 x2 x3 multiplication of x3 and difference of y coordinate, and y coordinate always come in this form 1 in y. If x1 is, so y is 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. So remember like this one, okay dear? Note down it. Now dear, first question, find the area of triangle whose vertices are. So it is a triangle ABC. Vertices mean these are the vertices, 3 vertices in a triangle. A, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. So first we will write let. What is the name of these vertices? A, B, C. Let A, B and C are vertices of a triangle and we want to find area, and the vertices are given in coordinate geometries, okay, in 2D. So first we will write formula area of a triangle. How to write? 1 upon 2 bracket start multiplication of x coordinate with difference of y coordinate, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, now look at here, look at 1 upon 2. Now dear, always remember A, B, C, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so first is x1. What is x1? x1 is 2 bracket start y2 it is y1, it is y2, 0 minus, otherwise here if you have any confusion in x1 y2 and y3 you can write a. First is you can write here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. You can write like this one also. Okay, now x1 first, x1 2, x1 is 2, x1 is 2, y2 is 0. Now minus sign, y3. What is y3? Minus 4 and 1 sign is already here and it is again minus, so we will use one more like this one. Okay, otherwise you can write direct 0 plus 4. Next is plus x2. How much x2? It is x2, it is minus 1. Whenever minus number come we will write in bracket. Okay, now y3. How much y3? Minus 4. Again minus, and y1 again is 3 plus x3. x3 is 2, y1 is 3 minus, and y2 again 0. And now you will solve it 1 upon 2 dear. 2 negative into negative positive, so 2 into 4 plus minus 4 and minus 3, how much? It is minus 7. Minus 1 into minus 7. They are adding, not multiplication. Okay. Now plus 3 minus 0, 0. 2 into 3. Otherwise you can write 2 into 3. So 1 upon 2 dear. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7 plus 6. So it is answer 1 upon 2 multiply 8 into 7 15. 15 plus 6 21. So it is 21 upon 2. And area is always in square, meter, meter square, centimeter square. They will write it is square unit. Unit means if it is in meter then centimeter. Okay. So it is your answer. Okay, and listen me. Sometimes maybe it is come answer in minus 10. Maybe it is come suppose minus 21 divided by 2. So what we will write? So you will write it is possible area is come in negative. No. So you will write area. It is not possible area come in negative. Therefore the area is you will write positive. Okay, 21 upon 2. If any time area come in negative, we will write it always positive. Okay, note down it. Second part you will do yourself of this first question. Now dear, one more important point. Suppose if it is any triangle given, okay, and we know this triangle has 3 vertices or not, okay, 3 vertices or not, and suppose its area is come 0. How much area? Area of this triangle is 0. And is it possible, dear, the area of any triangle will come is 0? No, because it is area. So it is, if we will make a very small triangle, then there is also some areas or not? Some area or not? So it means, dear, always remember, if any time the area of a triangle is come 0, so it's mean dear, by using of these 3 points we cannot make a triangle. It is not a triangle. It means the vertices will be collinear. It means these 3 vertices. These vertices are like this one. Wait, it is B and it is C. If all 3 points are in one line, they are collinear or not? And everyone know what is area of line? Area of line is 0 always, because we can take a line which is a line. We can take one more line which is thin from this one also. So area of a line is always 0. It means if area of made by these 3 vertices 1, 2, 3. If it is come 0, it means points are collinear. In every question you have to remember, if examiner give you the points are collinear. What is meaning collinear? Collinear means the area of triangle, the area of formed by these 3 points, how much become? 0. If points are collinear. Because if 3 points are collinear, so it means they never can make a triangle. Never make a triangle or not? Understand or not? Why? Because A and B is 4, it is 5. If you want to make any triangle, A, B, C, dear, look at A B is 4, B C is 5, and AC is how much? A to C 9. So it is possible? No. Why? Because look at A B. It is A B. It is 4. B C 5. If you will take B C is 5, and everyone know the sum of the two sides in a triangle is always greater than third side. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. It is not equal. Look at, suppose we will take AC is 9. AC is 9. AB is how much? 4. AB is 4 and BC is 5, and it is possible because it is 4 plus 5 9. So it means when we bend it, it is cover it. Okay, because B point will come here. Okay, because 4 plus 5 9. Because here, okay, because here to here 4 plus 5 9. Okay, so always remember dear one thing, no need to confuse. If in any question it is given points are collinear, so it means if we will find using of these 3 points, if these 3 points are collinear, it means if we will use these 3 points and make a triangle, its area should be 0. Okay, and if anyhow you don't know points are collinear or not, and you are using of triangle formula and you find area is 0, if area is 0 comes, it means points are collinear. Okay, note down this point. So always remember dear, the area of a triangle formed by these are the 3 vertices or not, is 0, then its mean vertices will be collinear. So we cannot make a triangle. It's not a triangle. It means if area of triangle is 0, it means it is not a triangle. It means all 3 points are in a one line. Okay dear, note down it. So now dear, now we have already learned we can check the collinearity of the 3 points. We can check by 2 formulas. One is we will find their area. If area of these 3 points are 0, it means point are collinear. Or second method, in the first exercise, by using of distance formula. Do you remember question number 3? Okay, by the 2 method we can check the points are collinear or not. Now in second question dear, find the value of k. We have to find the value of k if points are collinear. If points are collinear, it means area is formed by these 3 points. How much? Is 0. Understand or not? So you will write let points are A 7 minus 2, B 5 1, and it is 3k. Okay. Let points are A, B, and it is C. Okay, dear. A, B, C. Understand? And you will write points are collinear. Therefore, area formed by these points is how much? Is 0. Is 0. Understand? So we will write first area of triangle formula. Area of triangle. Because a triangle always made by 3 points or not, dear? Okay. So area of triangle formula 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y minus y2. Okay. And you know area how much? It is area or not? So area is how much? Is 0. Area of a triangle 0 or not? How much area of triangle by these 3 points is 0. So area of a triangle is 0. We put equal to 1 upon 2. Now x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So x1 is 7, dear. y2 1. If you have any confusion, you can write like this one: x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. y2 is how much? 1 minus y3 minus, and how much y3? K, plus x2 5, x3 k minus, and again y1 is minus 2. So we will use again bracket minus 2 plus x3 3, y1 minus 2, and y2 minus 1. It is so 0 equal to 1 upon 2. 7 into 1. Open the bracket. 1 minus k, we don't know how much, but open bracket. 7 into 1, 7. Positive into negative, negative. Again, plus negative into negative, positive. So 5 into k plus 2 plus minus 2, and it is become minus 3. Okay, again 0. Yes, 2 is here divide, another side become multiply. 0 into 2, 0 equal to, what is remain here? 1, and 1 is multiplied by another any number. Same number. 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 7, 7. So same as it is. 7 minus 7k, 5 into k, 5k, plus 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10, and 3 into minus 3, minus 9. So you will find here value of k. So look at here. 0 equal to 7 plus 10. Otherwise first you can add them. K. Minus 7k plus 5k, how much? Minus 2k or not? Both are like term. 7 minus 5, 2, and put the sign greater, minus 2k. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 minus 9, 8 plus 8. We want to find value of k. So k we need positive. So minus 2k another side. Positive. 2k equal to 8. So k equal to 8 divided by 2. So 2 cancel this one. So how much k value? K is 4. Understand here? Only one thing you have to remember: whenever in the question points are collinear, it means area is formed by these 3 points. How much? 0. We put equate to 0. write the area formula and write area formula and equate to G and find the value of K. Second part you have to do yourself. Okay, please note down it. Now dear, look at question number 3. It is very easy question here. Only there is some extra terms are given. What is given? Find the area of a triangle. We have to find the area of a triangle formed by a triangle which is formed by joining the midpoint of sides of the triangle. How to make a triangle? Formed by joining the midpoint of sides of the triangle whose vertices are. So we have given a triangle A 0 1 minus 1, B 2 1 and 0 3. So next is given we have to make one more triangle. Area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoint. Whose midpoint? Of the sides. So midpoint of AB, let D. Midpoint of BC, E, and midpoint of this one, F. We have to find the area of a triangle which is formed by joining the midpoint. So join the midpoint. It is. So we have to find the area of DEF. And if you want to find area of DEF, we should know first coordinate of all these 3 points, and everyone know D is midpoint of AB and E is midpoint of BC and AF is midpoint of AC. So we will let DEF are midpoint of sides. D is midpoint of AB, E is midpoint of BC, F is midpoint of AC, and everyone know A, you know it is A, it is B and it is midpoint. By using section formula, it is what ratio? Midpoint means 1:1, and if it is come mid, so you can use section formula or midpoint formula. And midpoint formula very easy. Sum of x coordinate divided by 2. Sum of y coordinate divided by 2. So look at coordinate of D join A and B. Sum of coordinate of x1 and x2. 2 plus 0. 2. And divide by 2, comma. y1 plus y2. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0. 0 divided by 2. So what is coordinate? You will write 2 divided by 2, 1 and 0. So what are coordinate? Coordinate of D are 1 0. Same as it is. Coordinate of E. It is E. 2 plus 0. 2. Divide by 2. Because x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Now y1 plus y2. 1 plus 3. 4 divided by 2. How much come? 2 divided by 2, 1. It is 4 divided by 2. It is come 1, 2. Same as it is. Coordinate of F. 0 plus 0. 0. 0 divided by 2. Comma. 3 minus 1. 2. 2 divided by 2. It is come 0 and 2. Okay dear? It is come 0 and 2. Next. What is given? We have to find area. Look at, it is area of triangle or not formula. So we will write area of triangle DEF. Can you find yourself using this formula DEF? Okay. So first we will find area of DF, and last look at again. Find area of ABC also. Why? Because in that last question, find the ratio of given triangles. So given triangles, 2 triangles. One is ABC. Next is DEF. Suppose here area of a triangle come is 15. Only I am suppose here. Okay. It is square unit. And same as it is area of ABC. Can you find? Already given coordinate using formula. Okay. Suppose it is come 20. 15 and 20. So ratio how will you find? You will find area of triangle ABC divide area of DEF. It is ratio or not? Area of ABC 20 divide by 15. 5, 4, 5, 3. So what is area ratio? 4 ratio 3. It is not your answer, okay? We only suppose it, okay? So find yourself area of DEF, area of ABC. First find coordinate of DEF. And we know DEF are midpoint, okay? So please note down it here. Now next question number 4. Find the area of quadrilateral. It is quadrilateral given and whose vertices is in order. -4 to -4 -2 -3 -5 3 -2 and 2 3. And very carefully you have to use area of a triangle formula because most of the coordinates are given in minus. Always most of them did mistake whenever coordinates are given in minus. Okay. So what we will do? We have to find its area. But area of quadrilateral formula we don't know in coordinate geometry. Yes. So first we will use. Tell me dear, can we divide in two triangle or not? First triangle, second triangle. So area of ABCD, area of ABCD plus area of BCD. This one or not? So area of ABCD, area of ABD, area of plus ABD plus BCD. And area of formula you know, area of triangle formula you know. And all three coordinates are given. A given, B given, D given. We can find. Again we will find BCD. Okay dear. Otherwise you can do by this method also. Maybe some students are divided like this one. So we will use area of ABC, area of ABC plus area of ACD. Okay. So please do yourself this question. Okay. Only you have to find area of both triangle and add them. Okay. Please note down it. Now last question of this chapter here. Look at. First you have to remember what is median. We have already learned in 7th, 8th and 9th class what is median in a triangle. Look at median means here. A median is a line segment. What is it? Is a line which join a vertex to the midpoint of opposite side of a triangle. Suppose it is a vertex, so a line which join a vertex to the mid. If we are taking this vertex to opposite of, what is the opposite side of this vertex? BC or no? So a line segment which join a vertex to midpoint. To the midpoint of, it means D is midpoint. Okay, so it is line segment. So it is median. Okay, median is a line segment which join a vertex to the midpoint. It means D is midpoint. Again from here it is midpoint. Okay, sorry, it is midpoint. It is midpoint. Okay, F and so. So in a triangle, how many medians? There is 3 medians. Okay, so always remember. Median means a line which join a vertex to the midpoint. Okay dear. Now question. First note down this one. What is median? Okay. Please note down it. Median. Now next is question number 5. You have studied in class 9 what? That is median of a triangle. And always remember dear, if it is a median, it divide in two triangles. And in 9th class we have already learned this result. Median always divide of a triangle into two triangles. Two triangles or not? Two triangles of equal areas. I don't know of in the question already given. Of equal area. So it means if it is a median, it is divide in two triangles whose area are equal. If it is 5, it is also 5 area. So we have to verify this result. We have to verify because median is always divided in two triangles whose area are equal. So we have to verify this result. Okay, it is result na for triangle ABC. Okay, so we have to verify this result for this triangle. So it means if you want to verify this result, we need a median. So let AD is a median. AD is median and D is midpoint. So therefore D is the midpoint of BC. So if you, what we want to verify? We want to verify area of this triangle and area of this triangle are equal. So first we will find coordinate of D. D is midpoint. How will you find coordinate? By using midpoint formula. So midpoint of BC, x1 plus x2. 3 plus 5 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What is coordinate? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is coordinate of D? 4, 0. Now we will write area of triangle dear. Formula can you write yourself? So first we will find area of triangle ABD. First we will find area of this triangle. Okay, same as it is. We will find area of triangle ACD. This one, and we observe that both of the areas we find same. So it means we will verify the result or not. Understand dear? So only use the area of triangle in these two triangles. Okay dear? So now dear, our 7th chapter is also finished. Okay dear? And this chapter is based only only three formulas. Distance formula, section formula, and third is area of triangle. Because midpoint formula is derived from section formula. We find from section or not. So always remember, so we have already finished. And it is very important chapter also dear, okay? At least if you have any confusion in any question, so at least you will try to write formula in exam, okay dear? So please, if you have any problem, ask to me, okay dear? And we have already finished. 7.4 exercise is not important from the exam point of view. If anyone want to do, you can do, and if you have any problem, ask to me, okay? Thank you everyone. Have a good day and a nice day. And please be regular in your study. Okay? Thank you everyone.